Find and delete clipboard history on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can clear clipboard on your iPhone. Now, before we start, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let us begin. First, let me just head over to our Note app to type something in. So I'll just type in hi. And what you'll do is I'll just copy this. Now this will go and stay in my clipboard. Now what we'll do to find the clipboard is simply head over to an app called Shortcuts. Now Shortcuts is a default iPhone app. If you don't have it, you can install it from App Store too. After you find the app, open it up. And right here, you will need to head over to the gallery option on the bottom right. After you're on the gallery option, head over to the search bar. And on the search bar, search for clipboard. Now, after you search for clipboard, you should find a lot of options, but the one that we want is called adjust clipboard. Now you will see the plus icon instead of the tick here. So just tap on the plus and it will get added to your shortcuts here. As you can see, adjust clipboard is right here. And if I tap on it, it'll just show me whatever I copied and what's in my clipboard. Now to delete whatever is in my clipboard, I can simply erase this and tap on done. Or if you want to, you can just edit it too. So you can type this in, tap on allow. And now if you head back to the note and you try to paste something, it will paste whatever you exchanged on your clipboard. And yeah, that is how you can find and delete clipboard history on iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more.